Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy. Thank you so much for joining me today here in my kitchen. If you are normally here to watch some of my beauty related content, this year I have kind of started to talk a little bit about my keto journey. So I'm going to try to start posting a one keto related content video every week on Mondays. So thank you for joining me today for this video. Today I'm going to share with you three things that have really helped me as I have started to get back into keto at the beginning of the year. Just a little bit about my journey. I have recently shared what got me started on keto, and I'll link that video below for you if you missed that. But last summer, towards the end of the summer, I got onto keto for some health related issues that I was having, and my doctor suggested keto as a lifestyle that I might want to consider. As soon as I started on keto, I started losing weight, I started having more energy, and over the course of just 3 months, which towards the end of those 3 months, I wasn't really being super strict. Over the course of 3 months, my A1C did lower just a little bit. So I did take a break for the holiday season, and I'm back on it now. And I've started the beginning of the year. So as of today, I've lost almost 10 pounds just, since this year. And as a total of, since I started keto, I've lost about 20 pounds. So, and gained a lot of energy, more confidence. I feel better, and that is most certainly a goal that everyone should have in life. And as a teacher, it's really hard for me to be tired in the afternoon when my kids are tired and I need to have energy to give to them. So this has been tremendous for me in all aspects of my life. But I just wanted to share 3 things with you today that have really helped kind of kickstart me and really make my life convenient and made eating convenient over these past 2 weeks. And the first thing is these granola sets that I get from Costco. And I don't have the nutritional content for this, so I can't give you that today, and I apologize for that. It doesn't have it on the packaging, it just has it on the box, I guess. But they are CGO Keto Crunch. And so it's a, this one is vanilla yogurt and this one is maple flavored yogurt. And they both come with cinnamon pecan keto nut granola. And I have found this really helpful for me after I eat lunch, or, and I know that you're not supposed to snack on keto, but I'm telling you, when I get home from school, I'm hungry, like famished hungry. I always have been. I give a lot of energy in my job, and when I get home and it's time for me to rest and relax, I need to recharge and get more energy back. So I do snack when I get home, because if I don't, I will need to eat dinner as soon as I get home, which may not be a bad idea. I may try that sometime soon. But eating one of these helps fill me up for a couple of hours so that I can make it until dinner time, and I'm not eating at 3:30 when I get home. Another thing that has really helped me out a lot is I love cereal. I have always been a cereal person. Love, love, love cereal. I can eat cereal for any meal of the day and I would be so totally happy. So I don't have the bag because I just recently, it was just this. I was trying to organize my pantry. This is a keto granola that I get from Costco also, and it has like dried blueberries in it, but not a lot. And if put some almond milk and just a splash of heavy cream, and I find that that heavy cream really helps give the almond milk a good, smoother, just a more milky consistency and flavor that I like better. So this in the mornings has been really, really helpful for me. And I recently got this one, and it's the Cinnamon Toast Keto Friendly Cereal from Catalina Crunch, and this is also from Catalina Crunch as well. And so the nutritional content on this: 5 grams of fat, 14 carbs, 9 of those are fiber. So really it's like 5 net carbs. And, you know, the ingredients could be a little bit better, but I'm not someone that frets over that. I do clean about half of the time, and then half the time it's not. But, you know, for me, I just want to do what I enjoy eating and what makes it easy for me. I don't eat super, super dirty, but I do try to do a little fun and some clean. And I will say that the number one thing that has made this keto journey back into keto beyond easy for me is getting Green Chef. I saw this as a promotion from Keto Focus, and I will link her channel below also. It was like a promotion that they gave her, and you know, you got like a whole bunch of money off of your first box. And I thought, oh, I've tried HelloFresh before. I would really love to try a keto version of that, knowing that what my meals are keto friendly, and I don't have to take out things or whatever. And so I got my first box, and I loved it so much. It came just like HelloFresh, where all of the food was already pre-packaged for me. All of the different ingredients were already pre-packaged, which was so friendly. Like just really nice and convenient. And so this is just a few. I got another box this week. I'm going to start doing it every other week now. But this is one of the meals. Well, this is the one I'm going to eat tonight. It's Mediterranean turkey patties. And it has the nutritional content on it right there. I love the fact that there's different sauces, different vegetables. I'm not normally a Brussels sprouts gal, but this has Brussels sprouts, and I really do enjoy Brussels sprouts. They are really nice. Another meal that I had yesterday was the Sunny Southwest beef patties. Loved that. And this had carrots in it, and I'm actually not super crazy about cooked carrots, so I didn't use all of the carrots in there for sure. And then the one that I'm eating today, well, I ate it last night and I'm eating it tonight for dinner, is the pork chops with basil pesto. Love the fact that this has broccoli and sun-dried tomatoes and feta. This was delicious. And something really cool about HelloFresh is they have like 10-minute lunch ideas, which is just a really quick salad, and you just chop up a few things and dump it all in a bowl and split it up, and there's your salad. So what I've been doing with that is cooking it for dinner and then having it for lunch the next day. And then I know that my lunches are nice, healthy fats, and I'm going to be full until I get home and I'm famished because I've been teaching all day. So this video was not sponsored by Green Chef, but I would certainly be open to that for sure because I loved it and it made my life so much easier. Check out the links below and see if any of that fits into your lifestyle. I hope that you enjoyed my keto content today, and I hope that you can find keto conveniences that help you stick to your healthy eating plan. I'll see you next time. Bye.